afternoon, the people of the Philippines. Here I am, 𝙅𝘼𝙋𝙃𝙄𝙉, coming with a new video of Jafil International Heavy Equipments. Today what I'm going to show you is Komatsu PC138us-8 backhoe, which is directly imported from Japan. Now let me explain about the specs of this unit. First of all, we talk about the bucket. It has half cubic meter size of the bucket. It comes with the breaker line, so you can also do the digging process. Okay. Now the good thing about this backhoe, it comes with the dozer. If we talk about the boom arm, you can see it's still shiny, so it's in very good condition. Now I will show you the track path. Talking about the running hours, it has only 9,700 working hours. Let me bring you to the back side so you can also check what it's inside. There are no signs of any stains. Now I will let my operator operate this unit and I will show you all the working of this unit. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat.